people are safe now.
Phew, that was close. Keep watching for more Big Hero 6 on Disney XD.
Right flank, straight flow.
Really?
Will not keep me from battle!
Nice job, everyone. Look! Finally, some action.
I know you're out there, you wall-crawling menace. It is the duty of every New Yorker to report the actions of these masked miscreants. So listen up. As long as J. Jonah Jameson is CEO of Daily Bugle Communications, I won't rest until New York has seen the last of Spider-Man.
And a good morning to you, J. Jonah Loudmouth. Other kids I know start their day with orange juice. Me, I get yelled at by 100-foot-tall cranky pants.
Give him the right. That wall-crawling menace.
A little love for the Spidey guy. I'm out here alone every day trying the best I can at this hero